Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of chemistry, coal and petroleum. This is the first part of this chapter. So let's get started. Before starting coal and petroleum, we must be familiar with some terms. The first term is natural resources. So what are natural resources? Natural resources are the resources which are obtained from nature. A question comes to mind, what are resources? Anything that satisfies need is source. Examples are wood, plants, coal, petroleum, kerosene, and air, water. The things that you use in everyday life, all are resources. We can classify the natural resources into two types on the basis of the amount present in the nature. The first type is exhaustible natural resources, or we can say them non-renewable natural resources. These are the natural resources which are present in limited amount in nature and they need a lot of time to be get renewed. If they get exhausted from nature, they take millions and millions of years to get reformed. Examples are coal, petroleum, natural gas, minerals, etc. The second one is inexhaustible natural resources, or we can say them renewable natural resources. These are the natural resources which are present in abundance in nature and they need a very little time to get renewed. Examples are air, sunlight, water, soil, and many more. The next term is fuel. What are fuels? Fuels are the substances which are having potential energy in them, and on burning they give considerable amount of heat and light energy. Considerable amount of heat and light energy means they do not give an eligible amount of heat energy, but that we can use. They give the amount of energy that we can use easily. The next term is fossil fuels. So first understand the term fossil. Fossils are the remains, molds or impressions of plants and animals which got buried and preserved in layers of rocks or ice. So fossil fuels can be defined as fossil fuels are the fuels obtained from fossils. The examples of fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, etc. So let's discuss about what is coal. Coal is a brownish black, hard and combustible substance. This line means coal is brownish black in color, it is hard and it is combustible substances, meaning it can be burnt. The meaning of burning in chemistry is to react it to the oxygen. It is sedimentary rock. As you know that there are three types of rocks. The first is igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. So it is sedimentary rocks. It is found in coal beds or coal seams. We can define coal beds or coal seams as the places where coal can be found. If we see chemically, it is a mixture of chemical substances containing carbon, hydrogen in large amount and small amount of oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen with small amount of impurities. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, share with your friends, like the video and subscribe to my channel.